everyone, my name is Jnanada. I am from grade 7. Today I am going to present a timeline about radioactive substances. Introduction. Radiation is an energy that comes from a source that travels through space at the speed of light. This energy has an electric field and a magnetic field associated with it, and it has a wave-like properties. You could also you can also call radiation as electromagnetic waves. Radiation, it might be in things that we use in daily lives, like any electronic devices, smartphones, for example. They emit electromagnetic waves. Timeline on radiation. November 8, 1895. The first discovery of radiation was by William Conrad. He discovered X-rays. And in March 1896, by accident, Henry Becquerel discovered uranium salts. Spontaneously, they emit penetrating radiation that can be registered on a photographic plane. And on 1898, the first element was discovered by radiochemical analysis of it was polonium. It was discovered by Perry and Marie Curie. And in April 2019, Marie and Perry Curie discovered radium in their research. July 16, 1945, in the desert of North Alamogordo, New Mexico, the first nuclear weapon test took place. June 7, 1954, USSR produced the world's first very nuclear power plant. If you have any queries, please raise them. Thank you everyone and have a good day.